looking forward to see you there.
We're looking forward to seeing you there.
We're looking forward to see you there.
At SQL Bits.
At SQL Bits.
And SQL Bits.
I'm Sasha.
This is Zoran.
Hi, my name is Danny.
And I'm Nico. We are all product managers at SQL Managed Instance team, and we are about to deliver the best SQL learning experience in the world.
It's year 2023 and ChatGPT still cannot quite tell you the difference between Azure SQL Managed Instance and Azure SQL Database, but we can. I will talk about Azure SQL Managed Instance, what's old and what's new in SQL MI, and how to create one, and how to cut costs while using SQL MI.
With the managed instance in place, you'll probably first want to connect to it. I'll show you how best to do this. Spoiler alert, there are 3 different types of endpoints. We'll also take a closer look at how to configure the service and secure your data.
You probably want to migrate your SQL Server workloads to managed instance, or perhaps you want to use Azure even without migrating from SQL Server to Azure, and I'm going to tell you how. I will also tell you about disaster recovery options between SQL Server and managed instance in the cloud. But once you're in the cloud, you want to make sure that you're using our BCDR, business continuity and disaster recovery features. Finally, you also might need monitoring and alerting in the cloud.
Until AI is finally able to take over the humans and human tasks, there will be a need to learn the analytical skills of troubleshooting, managing the not yet managed aspects of SQL MI, and naturally performance tuning. I will be teaching our attendees how to do it in the most efficient way.
Sign up for a day with SQL Managed Instance training on March 14th, 2023.
We're looking forward to seeing you there.
At SQL Bits.